It is a very exciting day indeed because we have here the new grey steel X7 wall mount, which is actually a new product in our catalogue, but not only that, it's also the world premiere of this new product. So let's take a look. Now, if like me and most other people watching this channel, you're a biker and you have a few different items that you wear during a bike ride, well, then you should pay attention because this product has been specially designed for you. Now, normally I'm like a bull at a gate trying to take the product out of the box, but right now I just want to take a moment to admire the sleek and simplistic design of the box. It even tells you on the side what you can hang on the bracket, but let's not spoil that. I'll show you that later on because we're going to hang the bracket on the wall and we're going to demonstrate how this thing actually works. But for now, I'd just like to say that the box looks very nice, very sturdy, and the guy who designed it should get a raise just for making the box, to be honest. Anyway, enough jokes, let's dive into it. If we open it up, we're seeing some instructions here how to mount the wall mount on the, well, wall, of course. You can do that in your living room, you can do it in your shed, anywhere where you've got your gear or you want to display it. And the contents of the box are quite simple. We have the wall mount itself, of course, and I might add straight away, it feels extremely sturdy and it looks very, very nice. You can see the logo on the side here. We have the triangular cutouts here for the coat hangers. It looks really cool. Put that to one side just for now. Then we have a little bag with screws, Fisher wall plugs. We have the screw for the glove antenna, if you want to call it that, and an Allen key to put that screw in place. And then last but not least, the glove antenna itself. We can just take that off like so. That's this part. If you've ever seen Doctor Who, it looks like a Cyberman helmet. And that's it for the box, so we're just going to move that to one side for now. The wall mount itself is very simple. The only thing you need to do when you're going to install this is to put the antenna on top, like, let's see, this way around to keep the gloves furthest from the wall. Put the little screw in and you're ready to go. Then you can use it. Like I said, it already tells you on the box what you can do with this mount exactly, but I'm actually going to hop on my bike now and head over to my garage to show you how to hang it up and what you can actually do with it. Well, that's what it looked like on my tabletop, and this is what it looks like hanging in my garage. Now, how did I hang it up so quickly? Well, it was pretty easy and everything's included in the box, so let me just walk you through it. First, you get the X7 out of the box. You hold it against the place on the wall where you want to hang it up. Don't forget to use a spirit level to make sure all the holes are straight. Then you're going to use an 8mm drill to drill out the holes, bang in the plugs with a hammer, and then of course you're going to use the screws to put it on the wall. The only thing you need to do when it's up, when it's hanging, is get out the antenna from the box to hang up the gloves with and to put the screw in that to make sure everything is ready to go. So what's next? It's already hanging on the wall. What are you going to do with it? Well, it's not just called the X7 for a laugh, it's called the X7 for a very good reason. There are 7 different items that you can hang up on this bracket, and let me walk you through them from the top to the bottom. At the very top, sticking out, the antennas that you're going to use to hang up your gloves. Great idea because it also helps to let them dry a little, let them air a little bit. You know, everyone who gets sweaty hands likes to get on the bike fresh, so that's the gloves. Now, moving on, we're going to this part over here, which holds the helmet, one of the most important things in your outfit, of course. The helmet is held by these 2 cylinders. That means it's laying down and there's nothing pushing into or taking a bite out of the inner shell of your helmet, which is very important. So it lays down on here. Now, believe me, it's not going anywhere, but if you don't ride that often, you want to make sure that it doesn't jump off in some kind of strange situation. Then you can take the chin strap, attach it to the bottom of the bracket, and that way it's not going anywhere. And on top of that, the large openings at the bottom of the steel plate allow the helmet to breathe a little bit, just like the gloves we just mentioned. Now, along this steel bracket here, we have 3 triangular openings which can be used to hang up clothes hangers. Now, there are 3, so you can hang up 3 different items. That means you can hang up your jacket, you can hang up your trousers, but also a complete leather racing suit or any other items you might have. If you have 3 jackets, then you can hang up 3 jackets. If you've only got 1, then just hang up the 1. But you have the option to hang up more, which means that you can fit a lot in a small area. Something I've mentioned in other videos before, which is very important and I can't stress it enough, is for you to use earplugs. Be they universal fit or custom fit, it does not matter, but make sure you protect your hearing. A lot of earplugs come in a little handy pouch and you can hang up that pouch on this little hook over here, or that one over there. The other one can be used for the most important thing really, and that is your bike key. Now that is what you can do with the X7, but I can hear all your brains thinking, how strong is it? Well, I already mentioned it just now. This is a steel plate and the rest of it is all solid steel as well. It's all been welded together. It is one piece, apart from the bracket for the gloves, of course, but it's all one piece and it is super strong. That means you can hang a lot of gear on it. If you've got 5 helmets, you can hang them on. You might have to tape them together, but it can handle it easily. A lot of other brackets that we have seen have been designed in such a way that the bracket is pushing into the inner shell of the helmet, and over time that can damage the inner shell. That is completely different with the X7, as it does not lean on the inner shell and it holds the helmet at the back safely and soundly. Thank you for joining me in my garage, and now back to my twin brother in the studio. Thanks for the most excellent demonstration, bro. Back in the studio right now, we have the gunmetal grey here, which is the one you just saw, and the matte black one over here, which also has a very nice finish. It doesn't really matter which one you choose because they both look great. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was informative, I hope you enjoyed it, and of course I hope that you now know if this product is the right one for you. If you don't want to miss any of our future content, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, the thumbs up button, of course, to make me and the monkey smile. And if you have any unanswered questions about this product, then you can drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you very much. We hope to see you in one of our shops or on photomotor.com for the best prices and worldwide shipping. And otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Cheerio.